The hum of the fluorescent lights did little to calm the rising anticipation in the room. Alex adjusted her glasses, her eyes scanning the intricate patterns on the antique map splayed across the table. "Okay, team," she announced, her voice steady despite the adrenaline. "We've got 60 minutes to escape the Pharaoh's tomb." Jordan, ever the pragmatist, was already examining the heavy wooden door, his fingers tracing the outline of a rusted lock. "Looks like a standard pin. Tumbler," he mumbled, pulling a small discreet lock, picking set from his pocket. "Good thing I always carry my trusty tools." Alex, meanwhile, had found the first clue. A series of hieroglyphs on the wall seemed to correspond with symbols on the map. "This must be the key to the first puzzle," she exclaimed, her mind already racing. Jordan, after a few precise clicks, had the first lock open. He nodded to Alex. "Door's clear. What's next, Captain?" They entered a new chamber, bathed in an eerie green light. In the center stood a pedestal with 3 ornate sarcophagi. 3 sarcophagi. 3 puzzles. Alex mused, her gaze sweeping over the scene. The first sarcophagus had a riddle etched into its lid. Alex read it aloud. "I have cities, but no houses. Forests, but no trees, and water, but no fish. What am I?" Jordan immediately chimed in. "A map." Alex beamed. "Exactly! Now, where would a map lead us?" She noticed a small, almost invisible indentation on the side of the sarcophagus, shaped like a miniature scroll. Jordan, using a technique he'd learned from years of tinkering, gently prodded the indentation. With a soft click, a secret compartment opened, revealing a rolled-up parchment. "Bingo!" The parchment contained a coded message. Alex's specialty was deciphering codes. She pulled out a small notepad and pen, her brow furrowing in concentration. While Alex worked on the code, Jordan explored the second sarcophagus. It had a series of colored buttons, but no apparent pattern. He tried pressing them randomly, but nothing happened. Suddenly, Alex gasped. "I've got it!" The code is a sequence of colors: red, blue, green, yellow. She pointed to the parchment, which had faintly colored markings next to some of the letters. Jordan quickly entered the sequence into the second sarcophagus. A whirring sound filled the room, and the lid slowly slid open, revealing a dusty old key. "Perfect timing, Alex." Now for the third sarcophagus. This one was locked with an old-fashioned combination dial. "This is going to require some finesse," Jordan said, inspecting the mechanism. He put his ear to the lock and began to slowly turn the dial, listening for the internal clicks. Alex, observing him, noticed a set of numbers subtly etched into the pedestal beneath the third sarcophagus. "Jordan, try these numbers. 7, 3, 5, she urged. Jordan entered the combination. Another satisfying click echoed, and the third sarcophagus opened. Inside lay not a key, but a small, intricately carved bird figurine. Alex picked up the bird. A clue, not a lock. This must be a symbol for something. She remembered seeing a similar bird motif on a tapestry in the first room. They hurried back to the first chamber. Alex quickly located the tapestry, and with Jordan's help, unrolled it. Behind it was a hidden alcove with a small bird-shaped depression. Alex carefully placed the figurine into the depression. A section of the wall slid open, revealing a final chamber. "We're almost there!" Jordan cheered. Inside the final chamber, a large ancient chest stood open, displaying a gleaming golden ankh. "We did it!" Alex exclaimed, a triumphant smile spreading across her face. "Teamwork makes the dream work." Jordan grinned, picking up the ankh. "And a little bit of luck." They had escaped the Pharaoh's tomb with minutes to spare, a testament to their combined skills and collaborative spirit.